So, like, I made this guy, like, a year ago now, and he's been primed and ready to go this whole time, which would have been fine. All my raptors were made then, and the only one I did on time was the Alpha Legion one. But then they did the whole World Eaters Codex, and part of the video was gonna be, oh, here's how you can make a modern Berserker helmet with the Warp Talon bits. But now we have them. But I like these ones for raptors. Something about it makes me feel like it's made to fly, even though it's totally not, and would not be very helpful. I made 2 of them to show that you could use any of the Warp Talon wings for this. I mean, not that you'd probably want to, since the World Eaters can't bring raptors anymore, which would have saved this video. Well, I guess you could do this to make sorcerer helmets, but after I made the jet trail, like in this video, I wanted to try out the new Ball Red contrast, mostly so that I could say that I used Pyro's fancy new red before he did, but also because of the Chaos mix we're gonna do later. It'll darken it down a lot, so having a super bright base coat will be good. And then wait, I feel like I'm missing something. Where did the rest of the video go? Okay, well, I guess I can just say Retributor armor for the gold bits, Lead Belcher on the metal bits, Chaos mix in this video. This isn't a bit or anything. I don't know what happened to that footage. Like, I didn't even know when I started writing. I just expected to complain about my lateness, and it would otherwise be normal. So, after the Chaos mix, I put some Ruinfang Steel in his eyes, and as that dried, I did Blood for the Blood God. Though, looking at him now, I'm probably gonna do more. That's not enough. Anyways, for his eyes, the reason I did Ruinfang Steel is so that I could do Warp Lightning over it and get shiny eyes.